Let's face it, vacuuming can be a pain.
Shackled by the weight and tethered by the cord. The minute you finish, more mess appears. And do we really want to touch the dirt when we empty?
I designed the powerful new Gtech AirRam to help you break free.
You get high-performance cordless cleaning, even on embedded pet hair. It glides from carpet to hard floor with no settings to change. And its new AirLOC feature picks up big bits from the surface and fine dust from deep down. The AirRam gives you up to 40 minutes powerful cleaning. Plenty to do your home twice.
Good dog.
The dirt is compacted into a bale
And empties with a slide. Order your Gtech AirRam today.
for £199 with free delivery. Find out more at gtech.co.uk.